Hi there, my name is Jackie Connolly, and I've been in the real estate industry for 36 years. And I'm noticing right now that a lot of people are struggling to keep up with their mortgage and are falling behind due to the cost of inflation or either losing their jobs. The economy is tough right now for a lot of people. And what I want to do is sit down with anybody who might be falling behind in their mortgage or feeling that's going to happen sometime soon. And let's talk together and see if I can help you. I've helped many people in the similar situations who are about to lose their home. If I can get in touch with the bank sooner rather than later, sometimes I can actually save your home. I can't make any promises, but I can tell you this: the sooner we get in touch with the bank, the less payments that you're behind, the sooner we can try to work something out to move you forward. So I'd strongly recommend that you give us a ring, let us know what your situation is, and maybe we can help you do a loan modification, or maybe the bank would be willing to do a forbearance. I don't know how far you've gone with the bank, but we're willing to make that call for you at no charge. So if you or someone you know might be falling behind in their mortgage and not sure what all of your options are, don't do what I did when I was younger. I buried my head in the sand, and that was not the way to handle it, because the foreclosure process is going to happen whether you face it or you don't. And like I always tell people, you want to be in charge of your destination, and the only way you're going to do that is if you confront the situation front on with an advisor like myself. So please feel free to reach out. I'll be more than glad to have a quick 10-minute consultation, get an idea of what's going on with your current situation, and give you all of the options that you have, because in almost every scenario, there's a minimum of 3 options that you're going to have. So let's get together, have a quick conversation, see if I can help, and see if we can help keep your home for you. Taking care, and I'm looking forward to helping you out. Talk to you soon. Bye.